Alright guys, this is going to be a full tutorial on how you can download Fortnite in 2023 on your PC for free. So first up, you want to go to Google and simply search for Fortnite, spelled like this. So then you want to select the first website that we are given here, fortnite.com. Okay, so you will be taken to this page. Basically all we have to do is click on download and then select whichever platform you use. So like I said, this one's going to be on PC, so you need to download the Epic Games launcher for PC. So this piece of software should be downloaded. Now we want to install it. Okay, so we get this. Pretty much just click on install, click on yes. It will install the needed software along with it, like the DirectX. And now it will simply update the Epic Games launcher for you to be able to download Fortnite. Okay, so now it has finished updating, so it should just load up the client itself, the Epic Games client. So here, if you don't have an account, basically you want to click on sign in with Epic Games or either of those account options, so whichever you want to sign in with. So I have an Epic Games account, so I'm going to use that to sign in. So right here where it says search store, you want to type Fortnite. The game should pop up, so click on it. It might be a little bit slow, but that's normal. I don't know why, but the Epic Games launcher is kind of slow for me. So right here, this yellow button, it should say free, and this should say download. So basically you want to click on download, and that is how you download Fortnite. So I'm just going to cancel the install right here. So if you click on download, it's going to ask you for the hard drive where you want to install Fortnite, and then you simply select the hard drive, and this should do everything by itself. And then you will be able to play Fortnite for free. So that is how you do it, guys. I hope this was useful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if it was, and I'll see you next time.